As you can probably imagine, defining your passions is relatively easy compared to the other elements we just uncovered. Take a moment to think about those activities and interests that bring you the most joy. Ask yourself, what do I love doing that I could spend hours on without feeling drained? What activities make me feel like I'm in my element or in the zone, as they call it? What feels natural, comfortable, and enjoyable to you? Imagine a world where you could build a business around your passions, where you wake up every single day excited and eager to share your expertise with others. Visualize the lives you could touch and the transformation you could bring about. Like with the previous exercise, try to stick to your top 2 and rank them with your biggest passion first. It's okay, of course, to also consider which of these would make for a more marketable product. For instance, as you can read in my book, The Value Pillars, I used to be heavily invested in everything around the big movies and gaming franchises out there, the big IPs. But those are, of course, heavily trademarked. So even if I would find the right angle to turn it into some kind of course that would add value to other people's lives, it's almost impossible to turn this into a product and make money from it. It is time to create your list. And a list of personal interests and passions. List interest and passion number 1 and number 2, and optional is passion number 3. If you need help with this, there is an assignment handout available for you. And in the next lecture, we'll explore the next steps on this journey, defining your expertise. After that, we will look at what your future customers want and the ultimate transformation you can offer them. And now that you've made it this far, I wanted to let you know that you are doing great. You will notice that learning will become easier and it will come more natural to you with every single lecture you take. It sounds weird, but learning is something that you have to learn, and it might be quite a while since you learned anything new. So it's only natural that you struggle a bit in the first lectures. But again, it will become easier. It will get easier from this point on. I will see you in the next lecture. See you there.